This will be an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G. Check out the box. Finally got this in-house. I have not seen this phone in person yet. This will be the first time. So you'll get my genuine reaction, as you can see. Check out the back of the box. Pause the video and read that if you want to. And check out that seal, unopened. So I have not seen this phone in person yet. Like I said, right now, literally will be the first time. So let's just get right into it. Cut the tape and let's go. And something fell. Samsung. See, your little trick of hiding stuff underneath the lid didn't work this time. It fell. Oh. Didn't get me that time. We'll check out the contents of that later. We'll put that to the side for now. And then here it is. This is the phone. Oh! Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus unboxing. Check that out. I got it in the cosmic gray colorway. Now I happen to, when I was ordering this phone, I couldn't choose between this color or the blue one, right? The blue one I kind of liked because it kind of reminded me of this color here on the Note 10. See how there's like a color shift, right? So the blue kind of reminded me of this a little bit, but then I started to really like this color, the gray. It kind of reminded me of the Nardo gray you see on the Audi RS3 or the TTRS, that gray. It's pretty nice, and now looking at it in person, I think I made the right choice. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on. S20 Plus 5G. Hell yeah. What is this? A little card. We'll just flick that to the side. And then in here, we get the charger. This is the new 25 watt. Did I say super fast charging? It does say super fast charging. Super fast.
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Yeah. You know, they put this like voice now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mute that. Put the phone to the side, and then we'll continue. And then what is this? Pause the video and read that for yourself. USB Type-C to C. Put the brick to the side, and then what is this? This feels empty. It's just like placeholder, right? Yeah, there's this. It's empty. Okay, put that to the side, and then in here we get the. This is the USB-C to C cable. All right, I'm not gonna take it out. You guys know what that looks like. And then this is the Tuned by AKG headphones. So you can see. What does that say? Sound by AKG. Nice. All right, braided cable. USB Type-C right there. I don't know, let me know in the comments below. This phone does not have a headphone jack anymore. Are you over it, or do you still wish like these phones still had a headphone jack? So then the headphones would obviously be, well, we'll obviously have the headphone port, right, instead of USB Type-C. So I don't know, let me know in the comments, what do you think? For me personally, at first I was like, yeah, I want the headphone jack, but now, just like with most things, you get used to it, and now it's just like USB Type-C, all the things, I guess, right? All right, well, anyway, these are the headphones, so throw that to the side, you guys know what that looks like. Empty box, that's it. Flick that to the side, whoops. And then we'll flick that to the side, and then we'll check the contents of this real quick. There's your SIM ejection tool. And then in here, you have your pamphlets and stuff. Oh, what is this? Samsung, okay. This device is packaged with a screen protector. If you remove it and want to use a different screen protector, make sure it allows for use of all touch screen features. All right. And then what is this? Don't lose a thing, back up your old phone, blah, blah, blah. Samsung Smart Switch. Samsung Care about your phone. All this jazz. Customize essential apps. And then what is this? Terms and conditions, blah, blah, blah. Okay. And then turn photos and videos into epic moments. Camera features, okay. All right, so let's go through this real quick. Single take AI. All right, create videos and capture multiple images. Bright night, create cinema quality videos, etc. Space zoom, get a closer view of faraway objects, AR zone, standard wide and ultra wide, scene optimizer, and artistic live focus. So we'll go over some of this. And then here it says get the most out of your phone. Tell you what, this might be useful. Keep this on the side for now. Keep this on the side for now. And then flick that away, and this is the phone. I gotta say, it feels really good that I have it in my hands right now. Nice. Woo! Okay, and then let's see, of course, we have to remove the plastic. So let's have a moment of silence. Woo! Nice and quick. And check out that cosmic gray. Yeah, I think I made the right choice. This looks pretty clean in my opinion. Let's go over the phone real quick. Up front, you have a 6.8-inch OLED display. On the side of the phone, nothing. And then the metal frame of the phone is tinted a little bit. It's like a black chrome kind of look. Pretty nice. On the bottom of the phone, you have your couple of antenna lines, mic, USB Type-C speaker. This side, power button, also doubles as the Bixby button. Volume rocker, antenna line again. On top, you have your mic, your SIM, and also your SD card holder. Feels really good to hold. And here on the back, camera is flat.
Accessibility mode. Continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
What the hell was that? Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. What was I saying? On the back, you have your camera set up, and then your flash right there. I think that's a mic. Depth sensor. Yeah, this phone feels really light. Yeah, really light. Feels thin like a credit card. Check out the thickness right there. Check out the camera bump. That's what you have to contend with if you rock your phone butt naked. All right, and then real quick, this phone has a Snapdragon 865 processor, 12 gigs of RAM. Let's go English. Check out some info to get started. All right, what do I gotta, okay, terms and conditions, I gotta say yes to that. Privacy policy, I gotta say yes to that. Sending of diagnostic data, which is optional. I'm not gonna choose that. And then click on next. All right, Wi-Fi, chose my Wi-Fi. Enter my password. There you go, let it connect. Before I forget, punch hole camera on the top center of the display right there. I don't know what the screen to body ratio is, but take a look at the bezel-less design. Very thin bezel all the way around the phone. Looks sick, absolutely sick. Next. Checking for updates. This may take a few minutes. As it's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Note 10 Plus here. We'll do a quick size comparison. All right. Let's see, okay, make sure there's, all right, here we go. Note 10 Plus on the left, this is the S20 Plus on the my right hand. Size comparison. I mean, you have your subtle differences. This is more of a square design. This is more rounded, as the S series of phones tend to be, all right? But for all intensive purposes, the sizes are identical, all right? Maybe the Note is a little bit taller. Okay, we'll check out the thickness. I mean, negligible differences, all right? And then we'll flip it over. We'll check out the back design, compare that for yourself. And I think the Note's a little bit wider. Yup, the Note is wider. Check out the difference right there. All right, so feeling the hand, I mean, yeah, the Note feels a little bit bigger overall, a little bit more squared off. And then I'm holding the Note, I mean the S20 Plus. Yeah, a little bit smaller. I'm gonna say this feels a little bit more comfortable to hold by, I'm gonna give that slight margin on the comfort to the S20, just because it is a little bit narrower, right? Feels light too, and then, well, they both feel light, but S20 Plus feels a tiny bit lighter. I don't know if that's actually the case, but all right. All right, take the, or put the Note 10 Plus to the side, and then we'll go back to the S20. And then what does it say? Copy apps and data. Not gonna copy anything. Just a second, check info, checking info. The sign in, we're gonna skip the sign in stuff. And then what is the skip account setup? Skip. I just wanna get to the phone so I can say we are in, and then I'm gonna disable all this, accept. And then protect your phone. Face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, pin. Let's test out the fingerprint scanner. Now, I'll be honest with you, the in-display fingerprint scanner on the S10 Plus and as well on my Note 10 Plus here. If I'm being totally honest with you guys, not for me. Now, I don't know if that's because my thumb here is what I use. I don't know if because I have a lot of dry skin, it's calloused. It's always been this way. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but it's just, I don't know. I'd say it only works maybe 40% of the time for me. I'll try it right now. Okay, it worked. Of course, on camera it works. I'll try that again. May have to eat my own words. Okay, well, of course on camera it's gonna work, but when I'm out in the field, etc., it has a tendency to not work as well as it is now on camera. Of course, right? So we'll go ahead and test out the fingerprint scanner on the S20. Okay, what is this? Continue. And pattern. We'll just do it like this. Continue. There we go. So you guys know my pattern. Get in, so you can steal my phone if you want. All right. A note about screen covers and protectors. Little warning right there. So pause the video. Right. Let me focus. Cool. Scan your fingerprint. All right, let's go. Let's do this. 18%, 26, 32, 39, 46, 51, 55, 61. So I'm just moving my thumb around, the middle part of my thumb. But okay, now the, okay, cover the entire sensor. Okay, get a full scan. I'm scanning the edges. There we go, 100%, fingerprint added. Next, adding finishing touches. So the setup wasn't too bad on the fingerprint scanner. Sign into your Samsung account. We're not gonna do that right now. Skip. Yeah, man, come on, man, I just wanna get to the phone. All done, finish. Is this it? Can I say Samsung noises, which is good. Can I say it now? Can I say it? I guess I'll say it right now. And we are in. All right, all right. Tap for weather info, okay. Use current location, yeah. Okay. All right, now let that do its thing. And then let's test out the scanner right now. It worked pretty good on my Note 10, so we'll see. Oh, it works. Okay, maybe Samsung did some improvements. Either that or, I don't know, maybe I'm lying to you guys. Here we go. See, this is what I'm saying. See, no match, no match, no match. It works that time. You know what? I mean, for me, I guess it's very temperamental, right? It'll work when it wants to. Sometimes it'll give me a hard time. In that case, I'll just use my pattern or face unlock even. So that's the fingerprint scanner for you. So let's go to settings. A couple things I want to check out real quick. What kind of Android do we get here? Software update, download and install. Are we getting an update right now? And then let's see. It'd be cool if you do. Love software updates. And look at that, downloading update. All right, so we'll do that. We'll let that happen in the background. For now, out the box, you get Android 10, right? Yep, Android 10, as you can see, One UI version 2.1. And then out of the box, the security patch is February 1. So that update I'm downloading right now will probably be the March update for the security patch, which is good. And then also, let's check out the storage. Device scare, we're gonna go to storage. All right, so this is a update ready to install. Okay, we'll do that. We'll do that later after the video. All right, this is a 128GB model. And out of the box, you have 102.5 available. So quite a bit of storage. If you need more, you got the SD card slot. Very nice. Okay, let's go to Google right now. We'll go to YouTube. All right, I wanna test out how these speakers sound. I'm gonna click this. This is the background music I put in some of my videos. Take a listen. Put it right next to the mic. Gotta say, it sounds pretty good. Now, hold on a second. I know there's some sound settings in the phone here, right? So let me go, whoops. Sound quality and effects. And then it's sound quality and effects. And then here, see? Dolby Atmos. I'm gonna turn that on. And then you turn that on and then you can click on it, and then here you can set it to auto, movie music, or voice. I'm just gonna leave it at auto for now. So I'm gonna go back to YouTube to that song and let's play. All right, sounds a little bit louder now. Sounds pretty good. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. And now it's about maybe like 80% volume, right? So if you're the type that uses your phone to watch, if you consume a lot of media with your device, the sound here sounds pretty good. That's you heard. So yeah, no issues with the sound. I was editing this video and I realized that how could I forget the display of this phone? Specifically the 120 hertz display. Come on, Tim, get your act together. All right. So you go to settings, right? Out of the box, this phone will come in FHD resolution, right? And 60 hertz. So if you want to enable the 120, you go to settings, go to display, right? And check that out, motion smoothness. Out of the box, it's at standard refresh rate, 60 hertz. You click on that, 60 and 120. Click on the high refresh, apply. Now keep in mind, you do this and you're gonna be limited to FHD resolution. So it's a trade-off, 1080p and 120 hertz, or the full 1440p resolution, but it's only at 60 hertz. So you guys decide what you want. And I'd have to say, like, you can't tell in camera, but yeah, it is just buttery smooth. I mean, let me open a bunch of apps right now so you guys can see. I mean, it's just butter. The 120, whoo! Man, it's gonna be hard to go back to 60 hertz, even though it is a higher resolution, but yeah, man, 120 hertz for the win. Cool, man. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with this phone. Speed tests, camera tests, durability tests, etc. Versus Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, Samsung Galaxy, this is a regular Note, Note 10, the S10 Plus, which I don't have, which I do have, but yeah, versus Galaxy S10 Plus, versus Samsung Galaxy Flip, as you can see, and of course, versus the iPhone 11 Pro. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with this phone. Thanks for watching. Peace out.